2 years ago, we sat here and everybody, the automotive industry was in a different situation back then. And all of you look towards industrial general applications as being the growth industry. That really hasn't happened if you look at the figures here. They've grown, but not as significantly as we expected 2 years ago. Where's the limitation? Why has it not occurred?
The challenge is that by and large, we're, as an industry, trying to take automotive robots and put them into non-automotive applications. You know, and I think as more specialty robots like the parallel link robots come about, it will start to enable applications in these general industries. But it's also very different. Not only do we not have the infrastructure, say in the food industry as we do in automotive, the products have so much different parameters around it. You know, picking up a piece of chicken is a lot different than moving a alternator. And so it's it's a very different problem to solve, and it requires a lot more intelligence and the technology to be able to solve it.
But outside of automotive, there are not so many production engineer. They don't know how to use the robots. Then the robot maker, we should support to such an end user directly. So we need a lot of the robot engineer. That is a problem. Yeah. Then now maybe all robot maker is supporting such a system integrator for such a market. Now system integrator now is they are learning the robot, how to use the robot, the automation. Then it takes a bit of time. Then maybe we can expect more robots such as outside of automotive.
We all know that the big OEMs have huge staffs who knows how to program, how to optimize manufacturing plant with robots. If you then shift your focus over to a bakery with 5 to 10 employees, or of course you also have bigger ones, but obviously the competence level in programming a robot is different than in the automotive.
Maybe one more comment. If you look at the unit volume, that only tells you one side of the picture. We look very closely at the number of customers actually using our robots. And in terms of customer base, we do for sure see double-digit growth. These are still smaller customers for all the reasons that have been given. They start with 1, 2, maybe they buy over a period of a year, they buy 3, 4 robots. But it's very encouraging to see that the robot itself as a production tool is being accepted more and more in industries which we haven't even thought about 5 or 10 years ago.